Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video series, I am going to tell about all about Python variables. Okay, let's begin. Python variables. In the world of Python programming, variables are the building blocks that store and represent data. They enable you to work with, manipulate, and process information in your code. What are Python variables? Python variables are named storage container that holds data value. They allow you to write dynamic, flexible code by storing and manipulating information as your code program run. Variables can hold different data types like numbers, text, even complex objects. Let's see how to declare a variable and how to assign a value to the variable. To declare a variable in Python, simply use a variable name followed by the assignment operator. Let's see the example. Example, x is a variable name. I am assigning 5 to that x. X value is 5. Now I am printing x, it will return 5. Okay, you can then assign a value to the variable, which you can be a number, string, boolean, or any other valid data type. Variables can be reassigned to the different values at any point of your code, allowing you to update and manipulate to the store data. Okay, let's see. There are some certain rules to declare a variable name. So let's see what are the rules. First one, use descriptive names that clearly convey the variable's purpose. Follow the snake case convention using all lowercase letters separated by underscore. Avoid using single letters names like x or y unless the variable meaning is immediately clear. Don't use reserved keywords like print, diff as a variable name. Keep names concise but informative, typically 2 to 3 words maximum. Use intuit abbreviations if necessary like num, item, max, temp. So these are the rules how to declare a variable name. So okay. Now we will see variable types in Python. Numeric types, text types, boolean type, other type. Now we will see numeric types. Python support different numeric data types including integer, floats, and complex numbers. These allow you to perform various mathematical operations on your data. Now let's see text types. The most common text type in Python is string, which can hold character, words, and entire paragraph of text. String provide powerful manipulation capabilities. Now we will see boolean type. The boolean type represents the logical value, either true or false. Boolean are essential for control flow and decisions making in your Python programming. Other types. Python also offers more complex data types like lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets, which allow you to store and manipulate collection of data in sophisticated ways. These are the types, variable types in Python. Okay. Now we will see immutable and mutable variables. Immutable variables. Immutable variables like integer, floats, and string cannot be changed once they are assigned a value. They are fixed and any operations on them create a new variable. Mutable variables. Mutable variables such as list and dictionaries can be modified after they are created. You can add, remove, change elements within these data structure. Advantages of mutable and immutable variables. Immutable variables are safer and more efficient, while mutable variables are flexible in manipulating data. Understanding their different helps you write more robust and optimized Python code. Now we will see arithmetic operation with variables. Python variables can be used to perform a wide range of arithmetic operations from basic addition and subtraction to more complex calculations. This allows you to dynamically manipulate data and create sophisticated programs. Variables can be combined using standard arithmetic operations to produce new values. You can store the result of these operations in additional variables, enabling you to build up complex and computations step by step. Variable scope in Python. There are three types of variable scope in Python. First one is local scope, second one is global scope, third one is nested scopes. First we will see local scope. Variables defined within a function or code block have a local scope. Mainly, they can only access by within that specific context. Second one, global scope. Variables defined outside of any function or code block are considered to be a global scope, accessed by throughout the entire program. Third one, nested scopes. Python also supports nested scopes where inner functions can access variable from their own local scope as well as the global scope of and any enclosing scopes. Best practices of using variables. Use meaningful names, avoid magic numbers, scope variables appropriately, avoid redeclaring variables. Use meaningful names. Choose variable names that clearly describe their purpose, making your code more readable and maintainable. Avoid magic numbers. Instead of using hard code values, store them in variables for easy modification and better understanding. Scope variable appropriately. Declare variables in the narrowest possible separate to prevent unintended interactions and improve code organization. Avoid redeclaring variables. If you need to update a variable's value, reassign it rather than redeclaring it. It prevents unexpected behavior. Conclusion and key takeaways. In conclusion, Python variables are backbone of dynamic and flexible programming. By understanding how to declare, assign and manipulate variables, you can create robust and efficient Python application that adapt to your data and requirements. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share. If you have any queries, comment below. Thank you.